truck.
This is Sleek International's Dishwasher Platinum, and we are going to discuss about the installation and the demonstration of the product. Before doing the installation of the product, we need to ensure that the dimension which is required for the installation is correct. For the dimension, you can just refer the installation manual book in which we have given the product dimension as well as the dimension for the carcass. We don't need to prepare the carcass for this. You can just have the empty space. The depth, the height and the width is mentioned there. Please refer the instruction and the sizes as per the instruction manual, and which information is also given in the master catalog. Okay. Now we'll just understand about how to do the installation of the product and the demonstration of the product. Now for doing the installation of the product, please ensure that we need to have the first point for this plug, because this is very important plug which is having 15 ampere plug point is required for this, and it needs to be, if you can fix it over here at the center, it's fine. It's advisable if you can have the plug socket at the nearest counter, because then this space of 1.5 inch will be saved, right? And then this is an exhaust pipe. This is an external pipe which needs to be installed like in this fashion. You can just put it this way. The outlet can go in this way also and in this way also. This is a hose pipe which needs to be, you need to understand which parts needs to be installed. This is a pipe, see, it doesn't have the filter in it, so this pipe needs to be fixed here in this outlet. And then the part which is having a net, you can fix it at the tap. So this can be done on the right hand side also and on the left hand side also. Okay, once you did this, then you can come to the front part of the product. Now, how to operate the dishwasher? For doing the dishwasher, for using the dishwasher, we need to understand that the dishwasher can work on 6 programs. It can work on 6 programs. The programs are intensive, normal, eco, crystal, rapid and pre-rinse. Now, the intensive programs runs for 2 hours 45 minutes, and the pre-rinse program stands for 25 minutes only. So it varies from 25 minutes to 2 hours 45 minutes, right? Now, before doing the installation, we need to ensure few points. That first, there are 3 indications which will give you a point if your installation is not done properly. If this light is blinking, it means you need to check the water tap supply. If the supply is not on, this part will be blinking. Then this point, if this part is blinking, it means this rinse, the container you have not filled with the rinse, so you have to fill the container of the rinse. And if this is the cycle which is showing, it means you have to check the salt which needs to be fixed in. So we'll just check where to fix the rinse as well as the salt. Now, for the dishwasher, this is a place where you need to put the rinse. Okay, this is a place where you need to fill the rinse, and besides that, it is a chamber where you need to put the dishwasher detergent. Okay, dishwasher detergent are available at any of the multi-brand stores or any of the super malls. It can come in the liquid form and the normal detergent form also. After that, we have to ensure that you are putting the salt in this chamber. You need to put the salt in this chamber. The salt which requires to put in is 2 kgs. 2 kgs kilogram salt is required to be filled in over here, which is easily available in the market. After filling it, you can just close the lid, and then after that your machine is ready for the usage. For using the product, we have to ensure that you are putting the dishes according to the size and shapes. We have 12 different type of product setting over here. 12 different type of products can be installed in the dishwasher. This is the plate. You can put the plates as per the sizes. If you have different plates, you can put the plates over here. If you have a bit bigger utensils, then you can just close the lids and then you can put the utensils like this. always put the utensils like in this position, never in this position. Okay, it should not be on the open position. Then the water will be filled over here, right? Now for the glasses, you can put the glasses over here this way. Once you have filled this, then you can just check that this is a container which requires to be filled in with the forks, knives and the spoons. This is required for this. Never keep any spoon, fork or knife on the open basis. It may damage your utensils, different other utensils. After that, you can just slide in this part and then you can take out this portion. Now in this portion also, as we have discussed in the lower portion, you can just put this portion is usually used for the cutlery items. All the glass item or the cutlery item or the ceramic items can be placed over here, which can be washed with the help of the water force. This you can place it in this cases which is mentioned over here. Okay. After that, you can just push it back. Once you are pushing it back, please ensure that it is locking at the center. If it is not locked in the center, then the water will not sprinkler from here. So because when the water is coming from that area, with the help of the sprinklers, this is called sprinkler, with the help of the sprinkler, water comes into this area and then it washes the dishes. This upper end sprinkler is responsible for the upper washes, and this lower end sprinkler is responsible for this lower dishes. So both the sprinkler sprays the water with the mixture of detergent and rinse and the salt. So rinse is responsible for neutralize or make it bacteria free. Salt is responsible for making the water in a normal way, because in different locations the water levels are different. Okay. Now very important point is that our product has a special features which is called height adjustment. Upper basket height can be adjusted. Now how to do that? We have this lock. You can just open the lock this way and you can take this tray out. Oh, sorry. Okay, we have taken it out. Now we are putting it back with the upper one.
Just take me 1%.
Okay, now we are sliding it with the help of upper height. We have closed the lids. Now see, if you have a bigger utensils here, you can increase the height of this bucket. If you have a bigger utensils over here, you can decrease the height of this. So sleek dishwasher has this advantage where you can increase and decrease the height of the tray also, upper basket, right? So you can just close it up once, you can place it. After that, you can just close the locks from both the sides so that your tray should not come out. Okay, you can slide it back, you can put all the products in, and then you can close the door. Before closing the door, you need to select the programs. As we have discussed that we have 6 type of programs. Select, this is the indication for the programs. This picture indicates the intensive program. This picture indicates the normal program. This picture indicates the economical program. This picture indicates the crystal program. This is the rapid, and this is the pre-rinse. So as per the need of our requirement, we need to select the programs. If you have few of utensils and you just want to put the water on it, you can select the smallest program, which is pre-rinse. This program will finish within 25 minutes, as I've discussed. And if you have a lot of your utensils with a lot of oils and all, you can select the intensive program, which will last for 2 hours 45 minutes. After selecting the program with the help of this button, then you can just select the program on, and then you can push the door closed. Once you are doing this, your machine will start for functioning. Within 3 seconds, your machine will start. Okay. For any other assistance, do call us Mr. Sudarshan Bhate or our assistant Mr. Lalchan. Okay, thank you very much.